Day 5. After we return from Mikkelsen Harbour, the next attraction is Polar Plunge.
Yeah, you take the jacket, that's alright. Wait, Mom! I'm gonna wait for Lacey.
And where's John?
Alright.
Yes, you have. You gotta get your mask. You'll need that.
Can I go outside and take pictures?
You can't go.
The best place to watch is Deck 5, the back of the ship.
Wicked awesome!
I may be shrieking just as a warning.
Woohoo!
Our belt truck. Hold that up.
Why do you do it?
How many people you know who can say, hey, I went to Antarctica and you know what? I did a polar plunge and I survived. So that's why I wanted to do it. Even though I don't know how to swim, I still wanted to jump in the polar water and get that experience, get that feeling, so I can take that home with me. How was it?
Well done, guys. Well done. Look at the size of the bathing suit.
Oh. Is that a bikini, whatever?
Yeah, with thong back. It's a teeny weeny bikini. Do you think her boobs are going to come out when she jumps?
She doesn't want to do it.
Go! Go!
Come on down.
Oh, he's a boy.
Yeah, that's my grandson.
Brave boy.
He's in 8th grade. I think his father is right behind him.
10-year-old?
No, 8th grade.
8? Oh.
Reef walkers on. I hope you don't lose them.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. We just got back and that was absolutely awesome.
I hated the idea of doing it, and I didn't want to go down there. But I'd regret if I didn't take my one chance.
That look easy. Ready? Go for it. Thank
So you might want to cancel your 2 o'clock. I think he's out there for a while. So you might want to cancel your 2 o'clock. I think he's out there for a while.
He doesn't want to come back.
He's
Wow.
crazy boy.
Wow.
Up, end of the rope.
Wow. Oh, not long enough.
Not fair.
He wants to stay longer.
Yes, he does.
Wow, more than a minute. Oh boy. He's young.
Must feel good.
I've never lost it.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'd be doing.
I thought he's going to stay long.
Yeah.
Oh, he's carrying his camera.
Out of 128 guests, we have 73 Polar Plunge survivors. After lunch, it's time for a complimentary flight we have been waiting for. But due to strong wind, low cloud and poor visibility, the flight had been cancelled. So we attend the presentation Photography Basics by Michelle.
Screen on the top or a screen on the back, that's the areas that will allow water into it. Zodiac drivers are usually very good at telling you, okay, it's getting a bit rough now, you should put your camera away. However, we do sometimes get the rogue wave. So if your camera does get very wet, don't panic, just turn it off immediately. And when you come back onto the ship, find a member of staff and ask for a bag of rice. You'll put your camera inside the bag of rice and take out the battery and the SD card, and leave it for at least 24 hours. Don't be tempted to turn it on before that time, because if there's any moisture in there, it will fry it.
This is what happened to me a few days later.
On land with you. Always good to have some spare SD cards in case they get full or corrupt, and spare back.